Yeah, man. They're from Barry Street, you know? Understand, man? Barry Street with that part. I go in, you know? I go for a different action, that's it. I got my ears cut. I run the tour about that. I don't know. Lion out in our place. When I got sick of my mom, I got send her. When I send her to be a subscriber. Be a few. I want 5-10 million. Up there. Straight. In the yard. In the town. You hustler. Corona, Shama, cut all them play out there. I don't know. I want the vibes, you see me? Bless that. On it goes up. Water. You see me? On it goes up. Na. Yeah, man. We have vibes in our place, you know. I'm going to look some food and them things that. You understand me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm going to go on here, you know.